Greetings. Let's talk about keyboards. I've got a new one. It's not super new anymore, but I've only had it for a few months. I've done 3 other videos on it. In fact, I've done 3 other videos just about this little part of it, which is the rotary knob that comes on this Keychron Q5 96% mechanical keyboard. Few things that I love about this. It is incredibly stout. The most surprising thing when I took it out of the box, I mean, I can barely pick it up with just one hand like that. It's got to be 8 pounds or so. I'll include that in the description below. But it is an aluminum body, very well designed, well made. Looks great. I mean, mechanical keyboard audiences know that looks and feel and all that are real important to them. For me though, I'm a practical guy. I'm sitting here in front of the computer doing office work and creative work most of the day, every day. So I'm in front of the keyboard a lot. And so I justified a $200+ purchase in the Q5. I'm coming from another 96% layout Keychron product that cost under $100, I think, at the time. It was plastic, very clicky. I grew tired of that clickiness. Initially, I thought that that was kind of the mark of being a mechanical keyboard owner, but I've since desubscribed to that. Unsubscribed? And so now I really like this. It's got some feel to it. It's got some response, but it's not that just real annoying pingy type of clickiness to it that I used to have. The other really sweet thing, behind my other shoulder here, you can see, and I've done videos on this software, VIA is a complete programmable software for keyboards to where you can program any key to do anything. You can make macros out of it, you can make different key combinations do different things, you can make the Z key be an A key. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I found this really useful, especially for the knob, and that's what my videos have been on so far about this keyboard. But just wanted to give some impressions from not a real mechanical enthusiast, but one who is appreciative of a high quality keyboard at this point, having used some aftermarket stuff, I guess if you want to call it that, for a few years. I have found this has definitely been worth the investment for me, just in terms of comfort for typing, satisfaction. It's not too noisy, but it just feels good. So hope you'll check it out. I've got links in the description below if you can want to check it out on Amazon, especially if you're using just a factory keyboard. I think upgrading this piece, especially for an office worker like I am, is really going to benefit your productivity through the day. Thanks a lot for checking this out. Hey, subscribe to my other videos as well. Subscribe to the channel, that is. If you found this helpful, please like this video, and I will see you on the next one. You're awesome. Bye.